finally we are on our way to Munnar, and right now we are crossing Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary, and which is reserved for mainly tigers and elephants. It's 8 p.m. and we reached at Munnar.
Hi guys, so today we reach our second destination, Munnar, and as you see, we have booked this hotel, single tree resort. This resort is about 7 kilometers far from the Munnar city, and roads are not that good.
And risky,
Yeah, it's a risky, much risky. So be careful with these roads, and if you want to stay here, it's a bit cheap, but it's not that good. We are leaving our resort, and you can see it looks good from outside only. We are at Tata Garden. Most of the gardens are owned by Tata, and now you can see the beautiful view of Munnar Hills. We are having our breakfast at Annapurni Cafe Munnar. On the way to Echopoint, we see this beautiful garden. It is KFDC garden, and you can visit it by paying 50 rupees per person entry fee. We stop here at Elephant Park. You can ride an elephant. Charges per ride is around 7 to 800. Here you can enjoy elephant bath, and you can also feed elephants. We reach at Echopoint, and you can see all the charges on this board. And now we are moving to our third destination, which is Hampi. So stay with us on this journey.